Google has finally ended the long wait and officially announced the Pixel 10a. After months of rumors, leaks, and speculation, the company has released a teaser confirming that its next budget-friendly smartphone is on the way. This new device is expected to continue Google's tradition of offering solid performance and great cameras at an affordable price. According to the official announcement, the Pixel 10a will launch on February 18. Google has confirmed that pre-orders will also begin on the same day. A short teaser video was shared by the company, giving fans a first look at the phone and showing some of the design changes and new color options. From what can be seen in the teaser, the Pixel 10a looks very similar to last year's Pixel 9a. Google has not gone for a major redesign, but there are still a few noticeable changes. The most obvious difference is on the back of the phone. The dual-camera system now sits completely flat against the body. On the Pixel 9a, the camera module had a slightly raised lip around it. This time, Google has made it flush with the back panel, giving the phone a cleaner and smoother look. Another highlight from the teaser is the new color options. Google seems to be focusing more on fun and vibrant colors this year. One of the shades shown in the video is a blue, purplish tone that looks very similar to the iris color from the Pixel 9a and the indigo color from the Pixel 10. This new shade is expected to be called lavender. In the background of the teaser, another bold color can be seen, which is believed to be the rumored berry option. Even though the official teaser gives a small glimpse of the Pixel 10a, Google has not revealed much about the phone's specifications yet. The company is keeping most of the details under wraps for now. The only hint comes from the tagline in the video, which says, "A phone with more in store soon." Many people believe this could be a clue that the base model might come with more storage, possibly 256 GB instead of 128 GB. While Google remains quiet about the technical details, leaks and rumors have already given a good idea of what to expect. Reports suggest that the Pixel 10a will come with a 6.3-inch display featuring a 120 Hz refresh rate. This would be a big upgrade for smooth scrolling and gaming. The screen is also rumored to support up to 700 nits of peak brightness, which would make it very easy to use even under bright sunlight. Inside the phone, the Pixel 10a is expected to run on Google's Tensor G4 chipset. This is the same processor used in the Pixel 10 series, which means users should get strong performance, good AI features, and solid overall efficiency. Google's Tensor chips are known for powering smart features like voice recognition, image processing, and on-device AI, so the Pixel 10a should feel fast and modern. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 10a looks promising. Leaks suggest that the phone will include a large FEF 100 mAh battery. That would be a great improvement and should easily provide all-day usage for most users. Combined with Google's software optimization, the Pixel 10a could turn out to be one of the best budget phones for battery performance. As always, the camera is expected to be one of the strongest parts of the device. The Pixel 10a is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel main camera. Google has a strong reputation for excellent photography, even on its affordable models thanks to powerful software processing. So even if the hardware is not top tier, the camera performance should still be impressive. Another exciting part of the Pixel 10a is the color lineup. A leaked render recently showed the phone in a bold new berry color. This shade is described as a deep and vibrant pink tone, much stronger and more intense than previous colors. Along with berry, the Pixel 10a is expected to come in obsidian, fog, and lavender. The berry color in particular has caught a lot of attention. It looks fun, fresh, and very eye-catching. Google has always been known for giving its Pixel phones unique and playful colors, and this year seems no different. In a market where many smartphones only come in black, white, or gray, it is nice to see Google keeping things interesting. Design-wise, the Pixel 10a is not expected to be very different from the Pixel 9a. The dimensions are rumored to be slightly changed, making the new model just a little bit smaller and thinner. But overall, it will feel very familiar to anyone who has used last year's version. Some people were hoping for major upgrades with the Pixel 10a, but it looks like Google is focusing more on small refinements rather than big changes. This phone appears to be more of a polished and improved version of the Pixel 9 rather than a completely new device. Still, for users looking for a reliable Android phone with great cameras, smooth software, and a reasonable price, the Pixel 10a could be a very strong option. The combination of a 120 Hz display, Tensor G4 chip, big battery, and fun colors makes it an attractive package. More official details about pricing and full specifications will likely be revealed closer to the launch date. Until then, fans will have to rely on teasers and leaks to get an idea of what's coming. The Pixel 10a is shaping up to be another solid mid-range smartphone from Google. It may not bring revolutionary changes, but it seems to offer everything most users need in a modern phone. If planning to upgrade to a new affordable smartphone this year, the Pixel 10a is definitely worth keeping an eye on. February 18 is just around the corner, and all the final details will be revealed very soon. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so no updates about the Pixel 10a and other upcoming tech news are missed.